Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Typescript. So today we are going to learn about the extended interface in the Typescript. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. Extended interface in TypeScript allow you to create new interfaces that inherit properties and methods from existing one. Okay, so create new interfaces that inherit properties and methods from existing one. This enables you to build on top of existing contracts and create more specialized interfaces. So let's have a look of the example. So here you can see this is base interface. Let me copy this one and let's do the example. Base shape. So here we need to make a comment over here. Okay, now they are gone. Okay, so this is the code. So this is that. So let's understand the code. Okay, so first we have the base interface. The name is shape. So we are define a base interface shape with the method calculate area. Okay, with the method calculate area, we create a new interface three-dimensional shape that extends the shape interface base interface extends the shape interface and adds a new method calculate volume. The circle class implements the shape. The circle class implements which is implementing the interface shape. So when you try to implement the interface, you have to go with the implements and interface three-dimensional extends. You are extended this interface with the help of the extend. Okay, so in this circle, we have a new method. Circle class implements the shape interface and provides its own implementation. So here, the calculate area have the own implementation in the implement section, right? The sphere class implements the three-dimensional shape interface. Okay, the sphere, here you can see that implements three-dimensional because it's also interface, and here implements the interface in inheriting the calculate area method from the shape. So if we are using this one, so here with what we are doing, because this extends the shape, so we can also use the calculate area method with the help of the constructor we have to include. So calculate area have their own implementation, and they have another method also that is called volume. So both have the different implementation. So class sphere implements the three-dimensional shape interface inherit what they are inheriting calculate area from the shape interface and providing its own implementation of calculate volume. We create instances of both the circle, and at the last what we are doing, we insta we initiate a new instance of a class that is called circle and the sphere, and we are sending the radius. So first circle area circle dot calculate area, sphere dot calculate area. Then sphere has another method that is called calculate volume that has own implementation, then sphere dot calculate volume. Okay, so we can create the instance of both the circle and the sphere class and their respective methods. Okay, extended interface is helpful when you want to reuse common functionality across multiple interfaces while adding specialized behavior to the individual interfaces. This practice promotes the code reusability, maintains a clear and organized structure in the code base. So in overall what we have done, let me explain you what it says that allows you to create new interfaces that inherit properties and the methods from the existing one. That is true. What we are doing, we have inherit the properties and the methods from the existing one. So here we have the base interface. Then again we have a extended interface. So we have extends the interface shape, and they have the method calculate volume. So when I use the class circle, which I'm implementing the shape part, because shape has the calculate area. Okay, if I go with the another one that is called sphere class, and I'm just going to do the implementation of the three-dimensional shape, which has the calculate volume, and the shape has the calculate area also, which have there. And now we are going to just do the implementation here, calculate area and the calculate volume on the, and then we are going to initiate instance of the circle and the sphere, and get the values of get in like use their methods, calculate area and the calculate volume. Okay, so this is how the extended interface works. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.